Anyword workshop. Today we're going to explore how to use SEO keywords when creating your blog post. Hey Anyworders, I'm on Anyword and I've created a blog post project and we're going to explore how to maximize the SEO keywords in a blog post. So our blog post in this example is how to improve your sleep, and right here you'll see that you can add SEO keywords. So I'm going to turn that on right here. And now we have our target keywords and our related keywords. The target keywords refers to the purpose of the blog, what I expect users to search in Google. So for this example, one of our target keywords or phrases could be how to get a good night's sleep. So I'll just write that in here. Maybe someone would also Google how to improve my sleep, so I'll add that here as well. All right, now we can add related keywords, which are words or phrases closely related to our target keywords. So for this one, I might write sleep like a baby, how to sleep well, sleep better, stop waking up, how to sleep better, getting a good night's rest, and how to sleep better at night. All right, I'm gonna hit next and go into our title section. So in this title section, you can choose to optimize your title for social channels or SEO. And for this example, I'll do SEO. And I really like this title right here, so I'm gonna go with that and hit next. All right, now the AI has generated this outline for us. I really like this outline, so I'm gonna hit next. All right, here are some of the intro paragraphs that the AI has generated for us. Remember, we can continue to generate more as well. I'm going to go with this first intro paragraph and hit next. Continue to editor. Now let's go ahead and generate each of our paragraphs. So I'm going to start with this one and hit generate. All right, awesome. So here's the paragraph that the AI generated for us. And you'll see right here is the keywords panel, which lets you know how many of your keywords are used in this blog, including your target keywords right here, or your related keywords. So these numbers right here let you know how many times this keyword or phrase was used in your blog post so far. And if you want to specifically direct the AI to add specific keywords to a particular section, you can do that right here in this panel that says Generate with AI, and just hit on the keyword section right here, and you can add a keyword. So just click here, and these are all the keywords that you've already established. And if you want to create an entirely new keyword for this particular section, just add new keyword here and enter the keyword that you want the AI to include. And that's it. Enjoy using your SEO keywords in your blog post.